Welcome. I'm going to show you how to reset your service light on a Renault Modus. As you can see, it's popped up on the dash as soon as we've turned the ignition on. So we're going to change that. Now on your steering column, you have two buttons on the end of your right hand wiper stalk. Hopefully you can see those okay. Now what we're going to do is repeatedly press either button until all the changes come up on the dash. So I'm going to start pressing that until change oil comes up. Once we've done that, the bottom button I'm going to hold down for 10 seconds. Once that happens, the new service interval will come up. I'm going to release that button, and there we have it. Your service interval, service light reset on your Renault Modus. Turn the ignition off, ignition back on, and you'll no longer have your oil service light. Please ensure you do this when you have serviced your vehicle, not just to pretend you've serviced your vehicle. Please subscribe. A nice click on the like button would be great, and have a look at my other videos. Some of them are entertaining, some of them are useful. There we go. Boom!